I'm interested in Nephi's language. He says that my father walked out of Jerusalem and left all of his worldly wealth behind. I expect he used some of it to buy camels or other animals to carry stuff as they left. But he never says anything about his mother and her jewelry. Much of what she wears, she receives on her wedding night. There are hints of this in the book of Isaiah and elsewhere about the wedding gifts and what a bride receives and those kinds of things. So Sariah is wearing hers. They get down to the first camp, about 260, 270 miles south of Jerusalem. If research is right, it's in a place called the Wadi Taibalissim, which is a canyon cut through granite rock. There's still today, running at the bottom of that canyon or wadi, a stream that runs all year round. There are Latter-day Saints who have been there and have checked it out all seasons of the year. It's just across the border from Jordan in Saudi Arabia, a few dozen miles. And so they arrive at this camp. Then Lehi is inspired to send his sons back. We can sort of imagine in our minds, Sariah has a place. She walks from wherever they're camped out to a place where she can see up a long valley of some sort. And every day she goes out there 2 or 3 times to see if anybody's coming. Well, these guys are gone a long time. The length of time that they're gone is probably 4 to 6 weeks. It's going to take them, not including Sabbaths, it's going to take them almost 11, 12 days to go back to Jerusalem if they're traveling more than 250 miles. That's going to take them that long to return. Then there's all of the activity in the city and out of the city and their interaction with Laban and so on. So they've been gone a long time before she finally sees them. And she's complained against her husband, calling him this visionary man, not knowing whether to trust him. But he keeps reassuring, they'll be fine, they'll come back. And they do. And when they come back to the camp, she clearly has received a spiritual witness. She says twice, "Now I know that the Lord has been leading my husband. Now I know that the Lord has watched out for my sons." So she's on board because she's the person who has to make salad out of thistles. And she's the person, when daughters-in-law come, she's the person who's in charge of the camp and the fixing of meals and all these kinds of things. And by the way, the tent belongs to her. So she's a key player. And she has to have this spiritual witness because she is put through a big test. She bears 2 children on this trek, an 8-year trek, out there in the wilderness where nobody would ever want to go. So she's a key figure in all of this, and I think we have to keep that in mind, that she is.